In this video, I will show you how to verify ID on Prizepicks. So let's jump straight into it. Now, generally, when you sign up for a new account with Prizepicks, there is an option to verify your ID during the sign up process. But if for any reason you skip past that section or something happened and you wasn't able to verify your ID, then the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to prizepicks.com and log into your account. So once you've logged in, to go ahead and verify your ID, all you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see this green plus button. So what you want to do is give that a click. At this point, as you can see, we're going to get this screen saying let's get you verified. It will only take 2 minutes. So at this point, you need your smartphone and a government issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. So make sure you've got that to hand and then click onto the orange Get Started button. So on the next screen, you've now got two options. What you can do is have a link sent to you via text message, SMS. So if you enter your phone number in and then click send SMS, they're going to send you a link which you can click on to start verifying your ID. Or alternatively, what you can do is open up your camera app and scan the QR code on screen. And then again, follow the steps to go through and verify your ID. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, I've got this article up from Prizepicks about verifications. What happens after you submit your ID? As you can see, it says after you submit a valid government-issued photo ID, so once you've gone through the steps of verifying your ID, you will be notified with one of the following reports. So you will either receive a verified notification, which means that you'll be provided a link to the deposit page where you can add funds to your account and begin playing Prizepicks. The next result you might get is to resubmit your ID. The most common reasons for this are generally due to the picture being blurry or the picture being too dark, so they can't actually properly verify your ID, or maybe even an invalid ID, like for example using something like a library card or debit card, which of course would not be accepted. Now, another thing that might happen is it might be placed in review, which means a verification specialist will review your account information further, and the final reason is going to be denied. So if you are denied, you will unfortunately not be able to play on Prizepicks. Prizepicks do reserve the right to deny verification to anyone at its sole discretion. For security reasons, we will not be able to provide specific information to individuals regarding why they were denied. So that is a quick overview on how to verify ID on Prizepicks. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.